Now, if you're playing Call of Duty Warzone 4 on PC and your mic or voice chat is not working, like teammates can't hear you, you can't hear others, or voice chat just refuses to connect, don't worry, there are a few settings you need to check, and most of the time the fix is simple. Now, I'm assuming you already did the basic checks like making sure your headset is plugged in properly and the mic isn't physically muted. So let's move straight to the real fixes. Step 1. Check voice chat settings inside Warzone. First, open Warzone 4 and go to Settings. You'll usually see the gear icon at the top, right-click that. Now go to Audio. First, check your general sound. Make sure master volume is not too low. Set it somewhere around 80 to 100 so you can clearly hear everything. Now go to the voice chat section. Here, make sure voice chat is turned on. Voice chat volume is high enough, around 80 to 100. Now look for your microphone settings. Make sure the correct input device or microphone is selected. Increase microphone volume or level to around 80 or 90. Adjust open mic sensitivity. Depending on your mic, usually 60 to 80 works best. If there's a mic test option, use it to confirm Warzone is detecting your voice. Step 2. Set the correct mic in Windows. Now, if Warzone voice chat is still not working, the issue is often Windows using the wrong default mic. So go to Windows and open Settings. Now go to System is greater than sound. Under Output, select your correct headset or speakers. Then scroll down to Input and select the microphone you actually use. Once selected, speak into it and check if the input bar moves that confirms Windows is detecting your mic properly. Step 3. Check volume. Mixer. Warzone. May be muted. Now, still in sound settings, open volume mixer. Look for Warzone in the list and make sure it's not muted. Volume is turned up. Sometimes games get accidentally muted here and voice chat won't work even if settings look fine. Step 4. Restart Warzone and test again. Once you've done those changes, fully close Warzone and reopen it. After restarting, join a match and test voice chat again. In most cases, it starts working immediately. And that's it. Hopefully this video helped you fix Warzone 4 mic and voice chat issues. Like and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.